Students, this is the continuation of the previous video of chapter 4, Early States of Political System in India. So now open page number 19. In the previous video we discussed about the monarchy state system. Now on page number 19, Vaishali Vaji state. Monarchy wished to increase their power and empire by occupying the surrounding territories. So the monarchy state system, they wished to increase their power and empire. वो लोग उनके पावर और उनका एम्पायर इंक्रीज करना चाहते थे. हाउ? बाय ऑक्यूपाइंग द सराउंडिंग टेरिटरीज. सराउंडिंग आजू बाजू के जो रीजन थे, प्रदेश थे, इलाका था, उसको एक्वायर करके वो लोग अपना पावर और एम्पायर बढ़ाना चाहते थे. सेइंग दिस, लिच्छावीज, वजी, ज्ञातुक, विदे, शाक्या, मल्ल, etc., 8 or 9 tribes who established the union state for their protection was known as Vaji state. And when they saw this, that they were monarchy were increasing their power and empire, 8 or 9 tribes, they established the union state to protect themselves from the Vaji state. Vaishali, the capital of Lichavi, was the main center of the union state. Among these, Vaishali was the main center. Thus, it was named Republic of Vaishali. Vaishali was the main state, and so it was named as Republic of Vaishali. And this Vaishali was the capital of Lichavi. The state administration of the, turn your page, Republic was governed by the Sabha, because of which it was called the Republic. So, the state administration, state का जो कामकाज था रिपब्लिक का, it was governed by Sabha, and because of this it was called Republic. In Republic, all the powers of house rested in the hands of the members. जो कुछ भी पावर था वो किस हाथ में था? जो मेंबर्स थे उनके हाथों में था. All the members sat in Sabha and all affairs were passed in the house by vote or unanimity. So the members, they sat in the Sabha and all the affairs, all the problems, all the points were passed in the house by vote system or by unanimity. Unanimity means it is an agreement by all the people who are involved in it. एक मत सर्वसम्मति. यूनानिमिटी मीन्स एक मन सर्वसम्मति से वो लोग सब पास करते थे. द प्लेस वेयर मीटिंग वॉज हेल्ड वॉज कॉल्ड सेंक्टम. और द प्लेस, जो जगह पे ये मीटिंग होती थी, उसको सेंक्टम बोलते थे. द एल्डरली एज वेल एज यूथ वर सिलेक्टेड एज द मेंबर्स ऑफ द स्टेट असेंबली. तो जो बड़े होते थे और यूथ, वेयर बोथ वर सिलेक्टेड एज द मेंबर्स. The Republicans elected their president for state administration, who was chosen by election. Then the president was elected, and this president was elected by election. In the Republic, each member was considered as the king. Each member, हर एक member जो थे वो एक राजा माना जाता था. Republic had their own council in which many important issues like administration, defense, war, treaty, etc. were discussed and then decided. Then this republic, they had their own councils. Councils means conference, a group of people who were chosen to make rules and laws. So they had their own councils, group of people in which many important issues, many important points were discussed, and points related to administration, defense, suraksha, protection, security, war, and treaty means agreement, sandhi, samjhota. All these were discussed and then decided. Any member could enjoy membership for a fixed time only. Those who were the member, they can enjoy the membership for a fixed time. An executive committee assisted the president of the republic in the administration of the state. Assisted means help someone by sharing the work. कामकाज में मदद करते थे. So executive committee was there who helped the president of the republic in the administration. Social life and state administration of republic states. According to archaeologists, people of this time lived in simple houses. So now the archaeologists, they were doing researches, and they found that the people who were living at that time lived in simple houses. They were associated with pastoral activities. And what work they were doing? Pastoral activities means they were keeping sheep or cattle where a land where the sheep or cattle are kept for grazing. So cattle rearing activity was carried by them. At this time, crops like wheat, rice, barley, sugarcane, sesame, mustard, cereals were grown. Then they were doing some agriculture activity also, where they were growing all these different types of crops. People might have been using clay vessels, especially because archaeologists has found some of these vessels. Then they found out some vessels, and by looking at the vessels, the archaeologists give the information that people might be using clay vessels, માટીના વાસણ use કરતા હતા, and some of the pottery found at this time had drawings on them. Then pottery, जो कुम्हार जो बनाते हैं मिट्टी के बर्तन, pottery was also found at this time, and this pottery they had drawings on them. These utensils were painted in grey color. और जो बर्तन मिले they were painted in grey color. At this time, ruler of every state did every possible thing for the defense of the state. So who was ruling? Whoever the ruler was, जो भी ruler था each and every state का, he did every possible thing for the defense of the state. Defense means रक्षा के लिए, अपने state की रक्षा के लिए जो बन सके वो करता था. For this reason, strong and high forts were built around the state capital. And the first thing that the king did was, or the ruler did was, that he built strong and high forts. एकदम मजबूत और high ऊंचे फोर्ट बनाता था around the state capital. Plenty of stones and bricks were used in it, and the walls which were built in this wall, stones and bricks, पत्थर and ईंट were used in it. Some of the kings used to build large, tall, and magnificent wall around their kingdom to showcase their power and prosperity. Some of the kings यानी अलग और राजा थे, जो और दूसरे राजा थे, they used to build large, tall and magnificent wall. जो दीवारें बनाते थे वो एकदम लार्ज, बड़ी थी, टॉल थी और मैग्निफिसेंट थी अराउंड द किंगडम. और ये सब बनाने के पीछे क्या था? टू शोकेस देयर पावर एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी. शोकेस मीन्स प्रदर्शन करना उनके पावर का, ताकत का, और प्रॉस्पेरिटी मीन्स समृद्धि ऑफ इकोनॉमिकली स्ट्रॉन्ग. टू शो देयर पावर एंड प्रॉस्पेरिटी, some of the kings, they built large, tall and magnificent walls. The brick wall from Prayagraj dates back around to 2500 years ago. On the left hand side, the picture is given of the brick wall of the fort of Prayagraj. So we can say that forts with high walls might have been constructed at this time. And looking at all this, or this evidence tells us that fort with high walls, बड़े ऊंची ऊंची दीवारों के किले, might have been constructed at this time. वो टाइम पे बंधे गए थे, बनवाए गए थे. All the Mahajanpad of this time needed a large army and a strong fort for their defense. And वो टाइम पे, उस टाइम पे all the Mahajanpad, they needed a large army. एक बहुत बड़ा सैन्य की ज़रूरत थी. एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्ट, किला जो था वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए फॉर देयर डिफेंस, उनकी सेफ्टी के लिए, रक्षा के लिए. पीपल वर टैक्स टू मीट दिस नीड, एंड टू गेट दिस नीड, टू गेट दिस स्ट्रॉन्ग फोर्ट एंड डिफेंस, अपनी रक्षा के लिए पीपल हैड टू पे टैक्स. नाउ हाउ द पीपल यूज टू पे द टैक्स? फार्मर यूज टू गिव 6th part ऑफ देयर यील्ड टू द ट्रेजरी. जो फार्मर थे, एग्रीकल्चर करते थे, दे पेड 6th part, जो उनका प्रोडक्शन था, यील्ड यानी जो एग्रीकल्चर का प्रोडक्शन था, वॉट एवर दे प्रोड्यूस इन एग्रीकल्चर एज अ क्रॉप, फ्रॉम दैट 1/6 part वॉज टू बी पेड टू द ट्रेजरी. ट्रेजरी मीन्स खजाना, स्टोर हाउस. द आर्टिजन्स यूज टू वर्क फॉर द स्टेट फॉर 1 day in a month. Artisans means कारीगर, those who are involving making things by hand, like mechanic, potter, carpenter. They had to work for the state 1 day without taking any charge. Cattle rearers gave cattle as a part of tax. Those who were carrying out cattle rearing activity, they have to give cattle as a part of tax. टैक्स के रूप में cattle देने का था. The merchant used to pay tax on sale of good. जो merchants थे, जो trading करते थे, they paid tax on the sale of good, whatever goods they were selling. जो सामान बिकता था वो used to pay tax on that sale of good. During the period of Mahajanpad, agriculture started to improve due to iron tools. And Mahajanpad के टाइम पे the agriculture started, and it also not only started but improved a lot because of iron tools. So students, here we are completing chapter number 4. So for homework, in your workbook you have to write the answers of question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The rest of the answers I will send the pic and you have to copy from that.